Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing an international payment platform, understanding the key features and services of Payoneer and Paysend is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Payoneer and Paysend offer different account types catering to various financial needs. Payoneer provides accounts tailored for freelancers, businesses, and individuals. Paysend focuses on personal and business accounts, facilitating international money transfers and payments. Banking features. Understanding the core banking features helps in evaluating each platform. Payoneer includes multi-currency accounts, global payment services, the ability to receive payments from international clients and marketplaces. Paysend focuses on instant money transfers to bank accounts, cards, and even cash pickup points in various countries. Spending and card usage. Analyzing card features and spending capabilities helps in understanding day-to-day usability. Payoneer offers a prepaid MasterCard that can be used for purchases online, in-store, and at ATMs worldwide. Paysend does not offer a specific spending card, focusing instead on transferring funds directly to recipients' bank accounts or cards. Money transfers. Both platforms facilitate easy money transfers, but their approaches vary. Payoneer specializes in cross-border payments for businesses and freelancers, allowing them to receive payments from clients and marketplaces globally. Paysend excels in person-to-person money transfers, enabling instant transfers to bank accounts, cards, and even cash pickup points in over 90 countries. Security and fraud protection. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. Payoneer employs advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, secure login protocols, and transaction monitoring. Paysend utilizes advanced security features like two-factor authentication, secure encryption for transactions, and real-time monitoring to prevent fraud. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. Payoneer, the app allows users to manage their accounts, check balances, transfer funds, and access payment history. Paysend, the app is designed for simplicity, enabling users to send money quickly and track their transfers. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new users. Payoneer occasionally offers referral bonuses, where both the referrer and the new user can earn rewards after the first transaction. Paysend frequently provides promotions like discounted transfer fees for first-time users or special rates for transferring money to specific countries. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Payoneer appeals to freelancers, businesses, and individuals who need to manage international payments and multi-currency accounts. Paysend targets individuals and families looking for an easy, affordable way to send money internationally. Conclusion. Both Payoneer and Paysend offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Payoneer is ideal for freelancers, businesses, and individuals engaged in international commerce, providing extensive payment and currency management tools. Paysend, with its focus on low-cost, instant money transfers, is perfect for users looking for a simple, transparent solution for sending money internationally. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.